What's up, everybody? I'm Dustin. This is Life in a Mustang with another episode of This Tool is Cool. And today what I got for you is a tool that I was like, man, if you're wondering, this is Chopper. Ava's right there. And I was like, man, I really need a hose clamp pliers. I have a Lincoln LS and I was down there changing a water pump and a thermostat. And I got down there and I was like, holy crap, I need a tool that's pretty dang cool. Yeah, anyways, so Amazon, yet again, another $12 item. If this tool works for me twice in 5 years, I would be tickled to death. I think it should last for a little while. It's not the more expensive $35 ones, but you can find these in a variety on Amazon. Or just look up hose clamp pliers. It says flexible hose clamp pliers. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and just open this package. All right, we got her open. So it's got a handle with a cable just like this here. Here in a second, I will take you and show you how that works. If you can look right here, you pull this handle here and it actuates back and forth. You hook it on there and you get down where you can't get your hands. See, now the problem I was having is I was getting down in there with vice grips. I could get it on open. You would have to get it open just enough to get those weird hose clamp ones. So, and you got to pinch together and then you can slide them around. So I'd get vice grips or channel locks on there. The problem is you can't get the channel locks open wide enough to get it on there and then squeeze it enough to actually squeeze that thing together to slide that hose clamp off from there. That's why I'm saying this is going to be another cool tool that I think anybody should have in their box. A lot of OEM factory cars use that style. They don't necessarily use the 5/16 or Phillips or flatheads hose clamps like the aftermarket style or anything that you would use like that. Alright, yet again another cool tool that I think you should throw in your box. Like I said, I'm Dustin. This has been the channel Life in a Mustang. This is the episode of This Tool is Cool. Go ahead and check this out here. Let's wander over and check it out on the car. This one right here has got a lockout on it. You can open it up, lock it out, hold it. Right here is a button. You just hit that button right here. It locks out, boom, bang. Hose clamps held. Just another episode of This Tool is Cool. Check out my other videos. They will be in the cards or in the description. I'll catch y'all later. Bye.